to Airshow Centre, Paul Bennet and the Wolf Pits Pro. Going to reposition at Airshow left with a half roll on the up, followed by 1.5 rolls on the left. Rolling the aircraft over the top, look for the inside diving snap rolls. Going back up to the 45 for one of my favourite manoeuvres, Paul's going to attempt a full forward flip in the Wolf Pits Pro. On the up, followed by a shoulder roll. Now stopping the nose perfectly vertical at 0 forward airspeed, Paul will put in full left rudder and turn around not once but twice in a manoeuvre we call the double manoeuvre. Paul's been quite active in aerobatic competitions around the country, and in 2009 was the Australian Unlimited Aerobatic Champion, and Paul is the current Australian Freestyle Aerobatic Champion. As Paul does some point rolls on the vertical up, at the top of this vertical, Paul will perform one of the world's smallest inside loops. And it will show you the power coming from this IO 540 400 horsepower engine. We'll actually see if we can go live to Paul in the cockpit. Paul, are you with us? Thank you, Paul. What do we think of Paul's flying so far, ladies and gentlemen? Now, the Wolf Pits Pro is a custom-built biplane. There's only 2 of these ever made. Today you see number 1, the actual prototype of the Wolf Pits Pro. And during one of Paul's displays, he'll reach up to 10 positive G and around 7 negative G. And Paul actually straps himself in, or actually ratchets himself in with 2 ratchet straps. Just like now, as he pushes out, the aircraft's actually trying to throw Paul from the cockpit. So the Wolfbits Pro has full span ailerons on both top and bottom wings, giving it a roll rate around 360 degrees per second. Powered by the 400 horsepower Lycoming IO 540 engine, but weighing only 650 kilograms makes it without doubt one of the highest performing aerobatic biplanes in the world. As Paul pulls away at Airshow Centre, setting up for a manoeuvre known as the waterfall. Positioning in at Airshow right, Paul's going to set up for a manoeuvre known as the slider. He's going to put the aircraft into knife edge flight, which is flying on the side, and without using any other control inputs but the rudder, he's going to climb the aircraft to the vertical position, a feat once considered impossible by any aircraft. So you can see Paul display around 30 times a year around Australia and internationally. Paul will be displaying in China and South Korea this year as well. Now if you've got your cameras handy, now's the time to get them out as Paul sets up for his photo pass. He'll get the aircraft down nice and low in a side slip. As he comes past, give him a wave because he can see you as he comes past the show line. Teaming up with the local FMX bike rider Joel Brown. They teamed up together to perform a stunt where Joel actually did a backflip over the top of Paul's aircraft while on his motorcycle. Now there's show left, Paul's actually repositioning for his landing sequence. So all the pilots out there, this is Paul's downwind leg for runway 18. So you're repositioned down on the deck at speeds at 400 kilometers an hour. Pulling vertical once again for a 4-point vertical roll. At the top of this vertical, Paul will turn around with another double hammerhead. And on the downline, you'll hear him pull the power and put the aircraft into a big side slip. Now he only side slips this aircraft not only to slow it down because it doesn't have any flaps, but also because he can't see over the nose of the aircraft, so he's actually got to side slip it to pick up the runway. So as Paul touches down on runway 18, that concludes his display today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you'd like to know more about Paul and the Wolfbits Pro, check out his website at paulbenetairshows.com.au or become a fan of his Facebook page, which is facebook.com/airshows.
Fantastic.